Pour olive oil into a cast iron skillet, about 1/8 of an inch up the sides. When the oil is heated, gently lay your chicken in. When your chicken is cooked through, remove from the skillet and place on a plate. Pour the extra oil out of the skillet into a little dish on the side. Into the skillet, pour an entire jar of Rao's marinara sauce and place your chicken on top. After pulling pieces of fresh mozzarella apart, place on top of the crispy chicken. Put the entire skillet in the oven under broil. Look at that cheese, y'all. It's time to eat. Add some fresh basil on top and you're ready to serve from the skillet.